to Root Africa. Today being 22nd of August 2025. Witnessing a festival that have been occurring since I was born, because Know Your City as Back to Root Africa has always inculcated that in her motives. Recently for some videos going viral on the TikTok especially. I want to use this medium to call on the elders in diaspora. I mean, the Odua lineage to come talk to this. Is the right knowledge not passed? Or do they know the cause they are invading on the unknown people? Because if I was to trace back to roots for question being asked, it's a practice that the witnessing, seeing the processes are restricted to some genders. And on this internet world of ours, we hope the both genders. I am using this medium to call the elders in diaspora, because I will be taking you in jiffy to a night that the Yorubas regard as Ale Efe, happening right there at the palace of Ikolan. Come along with me.